Okay, so Apple just released the $500 iPad mini. It's a really cute, really small iPad that fits into your pocket pretty much, and actually also still supports the Apple Pencil too, which is fantastic because digital artists who want to draw and don't want to carry an iPad Air 4 or an iPad Pro around can actually just buy an iPad mini now and travel everywhere with that because it's more convenient to use. Now the price raises a little bit of a question because with a little more money, you can actually get the iPad Air 4, which has been on $100 sale for almost a month now, or maybe the sale is over, I'm not sure. But the last time I checked, you could get the iPad Air 4 for $100 off, which brought it to just over $600. If this is $500 before tax, I'm not sure why I'll be buying a slightly smaller or a significantly smaller iPad instead of the iPad Air 4. But of course, there's many reasons why you might want to choose a smaller iPad. If you're somebody who likes to be able to put your iPad in your pocket and travel with that and walk on the go, it's a very nice upgrade. I mean, there's a lot of other upgrades on the iPad mini now, like the 12 megapixel camera, the flash, the fact that you now have Touch ID on the iPad. It's essentially an iPad Air 4, but in a smaller package and 4 new colors, essentially. You get pink, you get silver, you get space gray. They look nice. I'm just a little unsure about the $499 price point. It seems a little steep for a device that small, but that's honestly just my opinion. I'm not a digital artist. I do own an iPad Air 4, but I don't use it as much as I'd like to, so I'm probably going to completely skip this iPad mini. Let me know in the comment section if you'd actually be picking up an iPad mini this year, or you want to pick up one for your younger ones, your designer friends, somebody that you care about that might actually need the iPad mini. And if you're not picking up the iPad mini, there's actually an option for the regular iPad that still has the touch bar on the screen with the really ugly bezels. I don't know why anybody would want that, but that still exists in 2021 going into 2022, and that's something that you can still buy today. Anyways, that was my quick recap of the iPad mini from the Apple event that just concluded. I think it's a really nice addition to the lineup, especially for people who need something smaller or younger people. So this would be an excellent buy for kids as gifts for Christmas or Black Friday or whatever the case, if there's any sort of discounts on these devices. Thank you so much for watching, and I guess I will see you on another video on Adam's Apple TV. Peace.